then I'll teach it to you afterwards. Here comes the rain, and I feel it again. And soon my tears will be falling like rain. It always seems to be a Monday, left over memories of Sunday, always spent with you. Before the clouds appear and took away my sunshine, here comes that rainy day feeling again. I'll be dreaming of you, baby, in vain. Your face is always on my mind. I'm hoping soon you're gonna find your way back to me. 'Cause if you say you stay, the rainy days will go away. Misty morning eyes are trying to disguise the way I feel, but I just can't hide it. People seem to know the loneliness will show. I'm thinking of my pride breaking up inside. Here comes that rainy day feeling again. And soon my tears will be falling like rain. It always seems to be a Monday, left over memories of Sunday, always spent with you. Before the clouds appear and took away my sunshine. Okay, let's learn this song. There's basically two parts to it. D. There's like a long verse with the refrain. D, C. That's how the verse begins. And then that repeats. D. Soon my tears will be falling like C. Rain. G. And this G minor, just from a D string and down, I'm barring all 4 strings at the 3rd fret. G minor, and then a D, B minor. They share a bar. So, and then G, A, share a bar. And then it starts over D to C. With all downstrokes if you want. G, G minor, D, B minor, G, and then we begin this bridge by going to D. Go to this C, and we do that little walk down riff. I think that's it. So it's on the A string, play a C chord, then shift to the 2nd fret, and then open. Is on the low E string at the 3rd fret. And then we go 2, 3 on the low E. Open A. We'll come back to another C. So we start with the C and we end with the C, and the riff is in between. Misty morning eyes, I'm trying to disguise. So you get 2 bars of C. The way I feel 2 bars of D, but I just can't hide it. People seem to know loneliness will grow. On the second time around on the bridge, we do 2 C's, but then we go G, A. Thinking of my pride, but breaking up inside. And that's just like the ending of the verse, and that brings us back to the D. And we just repeat one more verse, so you can get the same lyrics. Yeah, I had to end on D. All right, have fun playing that, and hope you like the lesson. Thanks, bye.